guys, what's up? This is Joe over at Jag RC and Outdoor Adventures. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of Redcat Everest 10 ready to run crawler. 110 scale. We got a 4x4 brush.
Wow, Dad, that's a really cool truck.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing now.
Yeah, I really like that body that he got, like that blue fire flame body. That thing looks sweet.
This truck's got beadlock rims on it also.
I'd say that's pretty impressive.
Dun dun dun! Redcat. This truck also you could run on a LiPo battery, which is really cool. Get some longer run time and whatnot. Supposedly this thing is like pretty much ready to run. Got a little stickage here. Go ahead, Andrew, pull that bottom off there. Get this thing out of here.
Oh, that thing looks sweet, Dad.
So we got some pretty good sized tires.
Those are huge knobby tires.
I think these are 2.2s. I'm not positive
those
on
are
that.
monsters.
Let's see how this
That's a
box comes
monster
off
truck.
there.
Yeah.
Let's tear that off.
Those are monster tires. Epic.
Wow, this thing's pretty cool. So,
Those are monster tires. Those are really big tires.
oh, it comes wrapped in plastic like a show truck, huh? Look at that. Well, first impression, I mean, it looks really cool. Looks really cool. I would say it's looking really good. It's got beadlock rims on it, which is a really awesome feature for a crawler. I mean, it looks like it's got some pretty good flexibility here.
Ooh, that's a nice flexibility.
The RTI angle is pretty awesome.
Yep.
And great. Looks like it's got some pretty decent suspension. The body seems a little flimsy, but
yeah,
I mean, hey, for
definitely.
150 bucks,
that's
really, what do you want? Go ahead, pull the pins on this
these
thing.
are really big knobby tires. They're definitely big
See what we got here.
tires. Oh, so
Comes with the battery already mounted in there. You can see the batteries up in the top here. We're gonna have to charge this battery up. Yeah, this crawler is really looking pretty good. We've got some all aluminum link arms here. I mean, this flexibility on this crawler is just, that's pretty amazing. And with these beadlock rims, I mean, this thing the compound of the tires is really great. These aren't foam filled. You could get foam filled, I believe. So this thing comes ready to run. And then, you know, not a LiPo battery. You could put a LiPo battery on it. The ESC's set up for LiPo or nickel anhydride. I mean, look at that right there. I mean, that is an awesome angle of approach.
I gotta say that.
I mean, the flex on the suspension on this crawler is really amazing.
That's a really amazing flexibility.
I know there are upgradable options on this. I don't know if I'm really I might be a little concerned with the servo here for the steering. That is right out in the open.
Because if that did hit a rock,
you're definitely gonna take it right out. That's probably an upgrade we could do on it is put a metal one there.
Yeah, bumper.
But right out of the box, it looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Like I said, for the price point, we're gonna have to try it out. So let's go ahead and rip into this controller here. See what we got here. You guys watch it. Make sure you go out there and get an RC. It's a lot of fun. I mean, we spend a lot of time outside doing this stuff, as a family. It's a good thing to do.
It's really fun too. But you do end up spending a lot of money. RC family.
That's it. That's right, Aiden. We are an RC family, aren't we?
Yep.
We love the outdoors.
Yeah, we do. if you ever bought a Redcat RC, have you ever noticed the skull on the side? Can you please leave us a comment?
We got the controller here. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's got a cover here.
Compared
You
to
flip this up for your steering trim and throttle trim, and it's all right underneath this cover. You got this one does have a brake on it also, so it's not a bad feature. Your on and off is right here on the controller. It looks like we got a light for power and status.
Hey, Dad.
Yep.
The Redcat controllers, they look a lot different than the Traxxas, you know?
Yeah, it does. Yep, they're gonna look different.
But I mean, they're different brands, so really.
Just you know, your 4 AA batteries are gonna go into here.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge this up, and I think we might throw a lipo battery on it. I'm not sure yet. I haven't made up my mind. Well, maybe we'll do you know, see the difference in the batteries
When we were looking
in this truck here.
because when we were looking online, it said, didn't it say like something about the lipo battery that'll like a 2-cell, 3-cell lipo battery lasts in like an hour?
Yeah, they're gonna run different. You know, your run time's definitely gonna be improved a lot with the lipo battery. But
This controller,
you know, for
is
a
pretty cool.
truck's got a 540 motor in it. Your wheelbase is just over 12 inches.
That's pretty
I think it's
good.
like 12, 6 or something like that.
Yeah, we'll have to see.
Your 4-wheel drive, forward, reverse, your turning. You got oil-filled shocks. The chassis is aluminum on the side here. This is all just to show you. We gotta throw a magnet on there. I mean, the links are all aluminum. This chassis is aluminum. So it's you know, really light truck too. We're gonna see how it's we'll, you know, charge the batteries and we'll see what it does on the trail.
Yeah.
Get back. Yeah, so it's aluminum chassis here. Looks like everything's all right. I mean, it doesn't look bad. You know, if you take the bottom of that versus the bottom of this
Bronco.
the Bronco, it's all plastic, but we got, you know,
It looks a lot
well,
different.
these, you know, your arms over here, these are metal. These aren't aluminum. You can see where the magnet sticks. Magnet no stick. You know, because this is running aluminum, but the Traxxas, hey, it's a great truck. You can see the size tire difference right there. I mean, look at the size of that tire compared to the Bronco. I mean, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
The bead locks on the Bronco, those are pretty cool. I love the cat.
No, these aren't bead locks on here. Those aren't bead lock rims. No, these are bead locks.
Oh, yeah.
These are true bead lock rims.
Yeah, a lot different.
Right there.
Keep on creature adventure.
Oh, that's it. Well, we're gonna go ahead and charge batteries up and throw some batteries in the controller and put it to a little test run for on a little crawler obstacle course. And hey, we'll see you in the next clip, guys.